Hi everyone, my name is Talia Mashiach. I'm the CEO, founder, and product architect of EvedPay from Chicago. I'm a technology entrepreneur who wound up in the event industry over 11 years ago. I started by building my own event company and developing software to operate and automate my event business in order to differentiate our company from the competition. We were able to grow that event company over 2,600% in just 4 years, putting us on the Inc. 500 list. What was the magic? Our event managers were able to spend all their time creating experiences for our customers since we had software to automate our back end. In 2010, I saw the opportunity to take what we built for ourselves and bring it to the global event industry. I sold my event company and launched EvedPay to bring our magic to market. I'm going to share a narrative with you today that I hope will give you a true grasp of how we took a huge problem that no one else was solving and brought it to the market successfully. Meet Marianne. Marianne has been the category manager for a travel Fortune 500 company for the last 10 years. Technology was a standard from the day Marianne started her position. She was used to automated processes, granular spend visibility, automated payments, and everything at her fingertips that she needed to raise the bar for her customers year over year. But one day, she was asked to manage the company's event category in addition to travel. On the first day of managing the event category, she asked, "Where's my data? What software do we use? How do we pay our suppliers? And how do I get my hands around this category?" She couldn't believe that this category was still managed with email, Excel, SharePoint, and manual data entry into a budget tool. She had no idea how she was going to manage this category without data and what she would tell her customers who were used to getting new ideas from her every year. She had huge gaps. Marianne set out to look for software to help her manage the event category. She had registration tools, SMM tools, hotel sourcing, and card, but there was no real data from any of this, nothing that compared to what she had to strategically manage travel. She knew that her company used procure-to-pay solutions for legal and contingent labor. She felt there had to be something in the market that managed procure-to-pay for events. What Marianne learned was that travel technology is mature, and there are all kinds of solutions to solve the different problems. Event technology is still in the early adopter stage, and many companies are still using analog methods, making it harder to find innovative solutions. As a category manager, Marianne cares about spend visibility, efficiencies, cost savings, and compliance. There was nothing she could find. But then, Marianne attended an industry conference and found EvedPay, a procurement platform specifically for the event category. EvedPay was the innovation she was looking for. It would deliver her spend visibility through managing the entire reconciliation and payment process for her, and it would ensure compliance that her company had lost when they moved to meeting card 2 years ago. She was elated to find a solution that consolidated the meeting spend data like never before. She can know the average ground transportation rate per city, specific cost per event per attendee to provide to her marketing customers. She could get meeting spend in real time instead of having to wait 90 days after the meeting was complete. She could tell her customers what they were spending, how they were spending it, and how she was going to maximize that spend for them. Marianne wondered, who else is using EvedPay? She learned EvedPay had attracted successfully implemented Fortune 500 companies that were considered industry leaders, companies that chose to lead innovation instead of follow. To top it off, Marianne saw Dell's case study where their savings were in the multi-millions, and in just 60 days, Lilly eliminated 70% of their reconciliation headcount. This was a perfect fit for her company. Most importantly, EvedPay easily integrates without any IT resources into her financial and ERP systems to make the process simple and easy. Marianne got EvedPay launched in 60 days with enthusiasm from her finance teams who saw their costs go way down and their compliance go way up. How simple is EvedPay? Think of credit card, P card, meeting card, and all the benefits and flexibility, but none of the trade-offs like loss of control, budget overages, reconciliations, coding, challenges in global markets. EvedPay is the alternative to card, bringing all the benefits, including the rebate, without all the challenges, using the latest technology. Let's see how it works. Invoices are generated on EvedPay by suppliers, capturing the line items of the invoices. Companies set their own payment terms with suppliers. EvedPay tracks the due dates of these invoices. sending them to an action queue on Eved for payment when they're due. Once a week, Marianne's team clicks on the batch of invoices that need to get paid, and Eved generates one invoice and an AP file with all the cost centers and GL codes automatically generated into the file. Within minutes, her team can email the AP file and invoice to finance. Her finance team has to simply upload the file into their AP system, automatically creating all the correct entries for financial system. They then send one payment to Eved for the batch of invoices. Eved then disperses those funds to the suppliers, marking the invoices on Eved as paid. No faxing of credit cards, no credit card reconciliation, no coding of charges, and no chance of overpayment. With this simple process, not only does Marianne cut her costs and get complete accuracy on payment with no data entry, she now has the granularity of data she was looking for. So what did Marianne get in EvedPay? An awesome platform that made her event manager 70% more efficient by automating invoicing and reconciliation, the critical data she needed to manage the category and deliver savings to her clients, a payment processor that was most innovative and efficient she'd ever seen, all in one easy, simple product. Best of all, Marianne didn't need to get budget for EvedPay. Her suppliers pay a competitive transaction fee when they receive payment, and Marianne receives a rebate back from Eved on all the payment she's covering her costs of EvedPay, plus a quarterly rebate. But Marianne was even more excited when her suppliers told her how much they love EvedPay. It gives them so much more benefit than card, it's so much easier and faster than the PO process, and it lowers their cost of sale. Marianne was so successful in revolutionizing the event category for a company by using EvedPay that she was promoted to the innovation team in her company, a career changer she could have never imagined. Nothing else on the market today in either travel or events has such a transformation impact on the market. Thank you.
Fine.